Hello students, let us continue exercise 8.1 NCERT exemplar introduction to trigonometric and its applications. Question number 5. If cos alpha plus beta equal to 0, cos alpha plus beta equal to cos 0 mean cos 90, 0. So alpha plus beta equal to 90 degree. Now alpha equal to 90 degree minus beta. Now sin alpha minus beta is equal to sin value of alpha is 90 degree minus beta. Put the value of alpha is 90 minus beta. We get sin 90 degree minus 2 beta. Sin 90 degree minus theta mean cos theta. So we write cos 2 beta. Cos 2 beta. Hence option B is correct. Now question number 6. Tan 1 degree, tan 2 degree, tan 3 degree and tan 89 degree. Now we write tan 1 degree into tan 89 degree. Tan 2 degree into tan 88 degree. And last tan 45 degree. Tan 44 degree into tan 46 degree into tan 45 degree. Tan 89 degree. 1 plus 80 90, 2 plus 88 90, 44 plus 46 90. Now these angle form complementary angle, so we write in the complement form tan 1 degree into cot 1 degree. Complementary angle of tan 89 is cot 1 degree. Tan 2 degree into complementary angle of tan 88 is cot 2 degree. Cot 2 degree. Complementary angle of 46 degree is cot 44 degree and tan 45 as it is. Now tan theta multiply cot theta is 1. So this is your 1 into 1 into 1 and tan 45 degree. We get tan 45 degree. Tan 45 means 1. Hence option B is correct. Now question number 7. If cos 9 alpha equal to sin alpha and 9 alpha less than 90, find the value of 10 alpha. Now cos 9 alpha write as sin 90 degree minus 9 alpha. Complementary angle of cos 9 alpha is sin 90 minus 9 alpha equal to sin alpha. Now 90 degree minus 9 alpha equal to alpha. 90 degree equal to alpha plus 9 alpha. Transpose of 9 alpha to the right side, change with its sign, that is plus 9 alpha. Alpha plus 9 alpha, 10 alpha. 10 alpha equal to 90 and alpha equal to 9 degree. Now tan 5 alpha equal to tan 5 into 9, 45 degree. Tan 45 is 1. Tan 45 is 1. So option C is correct. Option C is correct. Now question number 8. If ABC is right angled at C, then the value of cos A plus B is A plus B plus C equal to 180 degree, angle sum property of triangle. A plus B, value of C is 90 degree. This is your given. Equal to 180 degree. A plus B equal to 180 degree minus 90 degree. We get 90 degree. A plus B equal to 90 degree. Now take cos A plus B equal to cos 90 degree, and cos 90 degree is 0. Cos A plus B equal to 0. Cos A plus B equal to 0. Hence option A is correct. Hence option A is correct. Now question number 9. If sin A plus sin square A equal to 1, then the value of expression cos square A plus cos raised to power 4 is. Now this is your given. We write sin A equal to 1 minus sin square A, and formula of 1 minus sin square A is cos square A. So we write cos square A. Now take cos square A plus cos raised to the power 4A. Now cos square A as it is plus cos raised to the power 4A, write as cos square A whole square. Now value of cos square is sin A, so we write sin A, plus value of cos square is sin A, so we write sin A whole square. Sin A whole square. Given sin A plus sin square A is 1, so we write sin A plus sin square A is 1. Now again repeat, value of cos square A is sin A plus value of cos square A is also sin A, so write sin A whole square. Now sin A as it is plus sin square A, and this is your given equal to 1. So we write value of cos square A plus cos raised to power 4A is 1. Hence option A is correct. Hence option A is correct. Now question number 10. Given sin alpha equal to 1 upon 2 and cos beta equal to 1 upon 2, find the value of alpha plus beta. Sin alpha equal to 1 upon 2 and value of 1 upon 2 in sin, that is sin 30 degree. Sin 30 degree is 1 upon 2. Similarly, cos 60 degree is 1 upon 2. Value of cos 60 degree is 1 upon 2. Now alpha equal to 30 and beta equal to 60. Now we find alpha plus beta. Alpha is 30 and beta is 60. So alpha plus beta 30 plus 60, that is 90 degree. Hence option D is correct. Hence option D is correct. Hence option D is correct. Now do exercise 8A in your fair notebook of NCERT example. Thank you.